Hello, friends! Today we are going to make a high-protein casserole that I'm sure you will eat every morning. And mentally thank me for this recipe, because imagine this, only 4 simple ingredients, just a few minutes of preparation, and you get a delicious, healthy, high-protein breakfast. A breakfast that doesn't just fill you up, but lifts your mood, gives you energy, improves your health, and helps you stay in shape. And the best part, everything is very easy to make. So make sure to watch this video until the end. I will show you all the steps, and I will also write the recipe in the description under the video so you can save it and cook it again and again. And of course, don't be shy. Check out my other videos. I already have many healthy recipes, high-protein breakfasts, dinners, and health tips. Subscribe to the channel, and together we will become healthier, more beautiful, and younger. So, let's start cooking. The first and main ingredient is cottage cheese. Today, I have Polish cottage cheese. It is simply amazing quality. And no, this is not an advertisement, by the way. I just really love it. It is soft, delicate, and it makes the perfect casserole. So we take the cottage cheese and start mashing it thoroughly. It is very important to remove all the lumps. Take a fork and gently press them. By the way, do you know what I noticed? This process is actually very calming. Really, you stand in the kitchen mashing the cottage cheese, focusing on these little lumps, and it's like you disconnect from the hustle of the day for a moment. It's almost like a small meditation. You press one lump after another and feel a sense of calm and satisfaction. So if you enjoy cooking the same way I do, not just quickly mixing everything and running away, but actually enjoying the process, then join me. Let's cook together. You can turn on your favorite music, pour yourself some tea, and create a small cooking ritual. So, the cottage cheese is ready. Now, we need 2 beautiful chicken eggs. Look how nice they are. Fresh, bright. These are the kinds of eggs that make baking especially delicious. We crack 2 eggs right into our bowl, and now we mix everything gently. The next ingredient is a sugar substitute. I don't eat regular sugar, so I use a sugar substitute instead. Now I will show you a little life hack. I take a bit of hot water and pour it over the sweetener. It dissolves quickly and then distributes very evenly in the mixture. It works much better than adding it dry. By the way, many people already know what kind of harm regular sugar can do if we consume it too often. It can cause energy spikes, then fatigue, and increase cravings for sweets. So, I try to choose lighter and smarter alternatives. But the most important thing is, our recipe is still very delicious. Now the next step. We only need 3 tablespoons of flour. Yes, there is flour here, but there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. Flour is needed just to help the casserole hold its shape. And I want to say right away, you will not gain weight from these 3 spoons, and your stomach will not suddenly grow, because the main ingredient here is protein. And protein, as you know, is very important for our body. It helps maintain muscle, support energy, keep you full longer, and even helps maintain a nice figure. So this breakfast is really a great find. Now the most enjoyable part, we add fruit. You can use any fruits or berries you like, fresh or frozen. Today I have raspberries. They add a slight sourness, a beautiful color, and an incredible aroma. But you can add blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. You can even cut up an apple or create your own version. Don't be afraid to experiment. Cooking is also creativity. Every time you can add something new and get a slightly different flavor. Now we mix everything well. And here, you can turn on some cheerful music again. Sometimes I actually dance in the kitchen. Why not? Cooking is also part of life. And if we can live this moment with a good mood, why not do exactly that? We mix, smile, and already begin anticipating our wonderful breakfast. Now we transfer everything into a baking dish. You can lightly grease the dish with oil or use parchment paper, and we send our future casserole into the oven. Preheat the oven to about 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. While it's baking, we just need to be a little patient. Sometimes waiting makes food even more delicious because you are already imagining how it smells, how soft it will be, and what a wonderful breakfast it will be. And now, the long-awaited moment. Our oven signals. I have prepared something delicious for you. We open the oven and take out a golden, fragrant casserole. Look how beautiful it is, soft, delicate, with berries inside. This is the kind of breakfast you can eat every day and never get tired of it. Now, the most interesting part. You can cut a piece, pour yourself tea or coffee, and begin to enjoy it. And do you know what is especially nice? You are eating delicious food and at the same time doing something good for your body. You get protein, energy, and at the same time, you don't overload yourself with extra calories. This whole casserole is about 450 to 500 calories. And if you divide it into 2 breakfasts, that's about 230 to 250 calories per portion. And at the same time, a lot of protein. This is a perfect option for those who want to stay in shape, maintain muscle, and simply feel lighter and more energetic. Friends, I was very happy to share this simple, delicious, and healthy recipe with you. I hope we will become friends. Write in the comments, do you like casseroles, what berries you add, and whether you cook high-protein breakfasts. I will be very happy to read your comments. And of course, subscribe to the channel. There will be many more healthy recipes, health tips, and inspiration for a beautiful and active life. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.